Season greetings, Crafty Alane here with a home holiday project that you can start today, or a seasonal theme that can give you a Christmas feel in your kitchen or any other area in your home. Just your trusty Cricut machine, and you can create your own masterpiece of a Christmas design and Christmas feel in your home. And if you like what Crafty Alane has to offer, projects, videos, things, and more, just hit the subscribe button today and join the community. And without further ado, we'll go ahead and get started. Here are the items you need to complete your project. A tea towel. The size that I have used for this project is 28 inches by 28 inches. They come in different sizes, but this is the one that I already had in stock, so I just want to go ahead and use those. Next is your Cricut heating press 2. There's 3 sizes of your Cricut heating press, and you can check out my video on the product review in regards to how to use the heating press 2 machine as well, and that'll be available in the description below. Also, you'll be using your Cricut machine, and there's different versions of the Cricut machine, and you can check out that video on how to use the Cricut machine available in the description below. We also have our iron on vinyl. This one is my favorite. Plaid farmhouse, or Christmas farmhouse, is my theme for the home, so I've been using a lot of plaid. And here are some other colors that I've used for the project, and it's just depending on whatever style you decide to choose, determine what colors you're going to need. And I'll have a recommendation of these types of iron on vinyl and where you can purchase these in the description box below as well. And without further ado, we'll go ahead and get started.